so annoying holding this. Oh, speaking of singing.
It's harder.
Yeah.
Where are you?
On the beach.
Where?
On the sand.
Where?
In Great Yarmouth.
Yeah, you got to tell them it's speaking. Just walk along.
So guys, we're in Great Yarmouth now. Oh, it's so windy. What's that over there?
Fishing? Look.
So, we're now walking to the beach. So yeah, you'll see you there. Well, not there, but that's like, yeah,
There's any nutters swimming.
I don't know. Really? Where is there? Look, there's lots of seats. Look at that cloud top. I'd love to go on that because, yeah, might film
That was good for a little while.
yeah,
That's it.
yeah. Oh, a £12.
€12.
No, it isn't. Look.
Yeah, yeah, €12, £10.
What? Why?
Well, I'm a little boil.
On the beach. Yeah. Debbie, wood.
It's rubbish, man.
Yeah, we are going to put some wood on there because really want to like put it on the shelf where I was working on. So we are now walking on the beach, like I said. We're just doing some like water because this is our first day actually like doing a YouTube video. We've done some. If you haven't seen it, I done a one where I was on holiday with my mum and all my family. My dad's Great Yarmouth. So yeah, I see a piece of wood over there.
See?
Yeah, like a flat piece over here. Look, there's one there. Oh, that's a sponge. Yeah. Daddy, did you see how big that wave was?